My name is FATHIMA THASHA and I'm from first year computer science engineering. My startup company name is G3S. Product present name is Bracelet. Product proposed name is Smart Bracelet. Advertising, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the advertising activity. Personalized fitness tracker, heart rate sensor, color changing bracelet based on intensity of the light. Based on empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customer, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is bracelet. Futuristic product name is smart bracelet. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Contactless payment, home automation control, weather updates, location sharing, exercise modes, GPS tracking, and UV sensors integration. Prototype. In prototype stage, a real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.